Good evening, everyone. As you have asked me to share some of the images, the images of Jesus that really inspired me as I am involved in the pastoral ministry. I am happy first of all to introduce myself. I am Father Li Chu, working in the Archdiocese of Taipei in two of the parishes of Ruifang and Geelong, especially from 2014. Since you have asked me, or rather, since you have introduced me that as a clerician, we have all of us, we have got different roles of animation. We do different ways of leadership roles, especially maybe a superior, the econom, or rather parish priest, or rather people who are in charge of special ministries like youth ministry, publication, or whatever it be. So, since you have asked me especially, as I am involved in the parish ministry, you have asked me to share a few of the images of Jesus Christ that has really inspired me in this pastoral field. As my 3 points that have really struck me, or rather inspired me in my parish ministry, may I share with you 3 images of Jesus. First and foremost, Jesus as the Good Shepherd. The Holy Bible very clearly teaches us that Jesus is a good shepherd, and good shepherd is the one who really knows the sheep everyone by its name, or rather all its background he knows. And he is a person who has got real genuine concern and love and affection for each and every one of them. And especially if we are reflecting on the words of Pope Francis, we know that Pope Francis, he told us that Good Shepherd is the one who has the smell of the sheep. So, this is the first image. The second image is Jesus sitting on the hilltop and teaching his people. And when Jesus taught his people, we know that there are two main aspects in this part. First and foremost, Jesus taught the people with a sense of authority, but authority based on a genuine concern, genuine affection for the people. Then another thing is that Jesus constantly wanted his people, his recipients, to realize what is the real aspect of the kingdom of God. In a way, Jesus taught the people to have a very decent life, a life rooted in complete submission to the will of God, as well as for the love of people, all the people whom we encounter in our life. Thirdly, I would like to share with you an image of Jesus sleeping, or rather we can say a calm and serene Jesus sleeping on the boat even when the sea was very much turbulent. So, we know that Jesus was a very calm person. He was not a very tensed person. He was a very calm person, always very calm. And he wanted to make the people also very calm. Therefore, may I conclude my these words telling that as a person who is involved in the pastoral ministry in the parishes, we know that this is the same images of Jesus, or rather the same images that which a parish priest, a pastor has to adopt in his own life. Because a person, a pastor who can guide his people with this kind of 3 images, an image of good shepherd, a person who can teach with love and genuine compassion, and another one is the one who himself is very calm and make other people very calm. And let us try to deeply meditate on these points. With these points, really, our pastoral ministry will be very much effective. And may the good Lord bless each one of us to have a genuine pastoral spirit within us, becoming a very humble and devoted pastor in the service of Jesus, in the service of every person. Thank you.